Extend your HVAC system's life with routine maintenance. Your HVAC system is essential for home comfort, but it can wear out early without regular maintenance, leading to costly repairs. Routine maintenance improves energy efficiency, extends lifespan, reduces repair costs, and enhances air quality. Follow these tips. Change air filters regularly, maintain air ducts, optimize thermostat settings, keep vents and registers clear, clean the outdoor unit, and schedule professional inspections. Additionally, monitor refrigerant levels, listen for unusual sounds, and improve home insulation. Caring for your system ensures it performs efficiently for years, keeping your home comfortable year-round.